Hi everyone, it's Sherry. I hope that you are having a wonderful day. Y'all, for everyone who's interested, the May paper crafting kits are here. Welcome to my channel, y'all. I am so glad that you're here. Welcome to all of my new subscribers and to all of my new friends. Welcome back to all of my longtime subscribers and longtime friends. Thank you guys so much for being here. Thank you so much for the wonderful ways in which you support me and my channel. Not only by watching my videos, but by supporting my monthly members group, my Patreon, and supporting my website when I make items available for sale. As most of you know, my YouTube channel has become my business, and that's a good thing because I get to play with paper and glue and scissors and all of that all day. But that also means, like any business, it comes with expenses. So what I rolled out is a monthly paper crafting kit, and the beautiful paper crafting kit for May will go on sale Sunday, April 30th at 4 p.m. Eastern Time. I'm trying my best to make sure that I have a certain number of kits every time that I roll one out, but this time I actually do have fewer kits than I had the last time because all of the components that I have in this kit, I don't have enough of it to make as many as I made the last time. And when they're gone, they're truly gone. Last month, I was able to offer more kits even after they sold out because I had enough components to make that kit. This time, my kit is color specific, so I don't have enough to build more and more kits once this one sells out. So when it's gone, it's gone. And I'm proud to say, I know this kit is going to sell out. So let me flip to my overhead camera and I'll give you a closer look at our May paper crafting kit. Alright y'all, so this is a good one. So I've decided that I'm really going to try to focus on color themed kits. And I'm starting with May, and May's kit is going to be, of course, my favorite color, which is blue. So 90% of what's in the kit will be blue themed. Here's what we're going to have in the kit. I'm going to move all of these little packets to the side so that I can give you a look at the papers you're going to get. So like always, you're going to get 2 sheets of 12 by 12 chipboard. It's the chipboard I use on the channel. You'll get 2 sheets of blue 12 by 12 cardstock. It will be this shade of blue. And then there are 2 sheets of double-sided 12 by 12 cardstock, which will have a blue theme to it. Might not necessarily be this one, but what you receive will play off of blue. Then we have another 2 sheets of 12 by 12 cardstock playing off of the blue theme. This is double-sided as well. And then you'll have 2 sheets of 10 by 10 single-sided cardstock. And this is just a sampling of the style that you might get. All 3 of the decorative papers are samplings of the styles that might be in your pack. You will have chipboard and you will have the blue, which will be consistent, but this is a sampling of what you might have in yours for the decorative papers. And then we'll have a full 12 by 12 sheet of stickers. Might not be this one. This is just a representative sheet. Yours might be completely different. And then we'll have a full pack of chipboard stickers from My Mind's Eye. Yours might be this set or it might be another set, but it will be a complete page like this. So I'm just going to move this so that I can show you the other goodies that we have because I really did want to play off of the blue. So I'm going to take these out of the plastic because that plastic has a glare on it. So I have a paper napkin pack, and that paper napkin pack has blue paper napkins or blue themed paper napkins. And you guys definitely remember these because they're from my most recent project and they're absolutely gorgeous. So you're going to get an assorted paper napkin pack. Then of course we like to dress our own cards on the channel, and these are blank watercolor blue cards. You're going to get 2 of these along with the envelopes. So you'll be able to decorate these however you like and then mail them out. We have another pack of word stickers, and these are great because if you're looking for a sentiment to put inside the card, this is perfect. So you'll have a 4 by 6 sheet of word stickers. Then you're going to have a little paper pack, and it's just a little pack of pretty papers that you can use on your projects. You can use them as mats on cards you make. You can use them as ephemera pieces. You can even use them inside of the composition books, the way that I did recently when I remade the spiral composition books. I actually used some of these papers as decorative elements. Then we have a little pack of ephemera, and I really like this pack because I think it's fun. So I have a couple of paper dolls. On the inside, we have a few stamps. Then we have these little translucent stickers, and we have some tickets. And then we have another pack of blue themed stickers. So you have stickers galore, and of course they're the beautiful blue type stickers that I would use on the channel. And look at how pretty these are. And then we have these. And then finally we have some of that beautiful blue chiffon ribbon. You get 2 feet of that. Then we have 100 blue gems and another pack of Velcro dots so that if you make something, you'll be able to close your project. But y'all, look at all of this goodness that you actually get in this month's kit. I'm trying to make sure that when I make these kits, they're profitable, but they're also beautiful. And they will include things that I personally will use on the channel because I personally design each one of these kits, and I personally make sure that each kit contains so much beauty and so much goodness. And I think for my blue kit, I have definitely done that. So then the last thing that I'm going to add to the kit so that you'll have projects that you can work on if you want to, I have a writing tablet, which is 5 3/4 by 8 1/2, and then we have one of the 4 by 6 chunkies that I like to use on the channel. So right out the gate, you'll have what you need to be able to make some of the projects that you see on my channel. My kits are not project specific because I want you to be able to decide what it is you want to make. Look through my video library. You'll be able to find a whole bunch of different things that you can use this kit on. And y'all know that I like to do a monthly freebie with my kit. Well, get excited because here's this month's freebie. It is a pack of my favorite Amazon Basics repositionable magic tape. I use this stuff all the time, as most of you know if you've watched my videos, and I love it. So for everyone who orders a kit, you're going to get this as this month's freebie. So I'm doing this video today so that I can give you a heads up so that if you're interested in getting one of the kits, they go on sale Sunday at 4 p.m. Eastern Time. I wanted to make sure that everyone had at least a 24-hour notice that the kits were coming. And one more thing that I wanted to make you aware of. Do you see these two cuties? They are absolutely adorable. I have a little drawer here in the front, and then we have 3 mini notebooks here. Y'all be on the lookout for this because I'm going to be offering these along with another project as private tutorials on my website. Y'all know that I do private tutorials to also help to offset the cost of operating my channel. But when I do roll out the upcoming private tutorials, you're going to be amazed at the deal. Wait until you see the deal on this as well as the other item that I'm going to be rolling out with it. 2 private tutorials coming up real soon, maybe 3. So you can see how those look back there. They really are gorgeous little pieces of functional decor. So I hope that you're excited about this month's paper crafting kit. Make sure that if you want it, you get out there quick and get it because truly, when these are gone, these are gone. That is not a sales pitch. That is reality. When it shows sold out on my website, they are sold out, and I will not be offering any more of the blue. So y'all, I know that when I offer things for sale, not everyone is going to get it. Not everyone is going to have an opportunity to be able to purchase one for various reasons. But for those of you who are able to support me and support my channel, I really do appreciate it when you go out and make these purchases because it really does make a difference. So as always, my friends, please be safe, be kind, be the reason someone smiles today. Happy crafting, and we'll chat later. Bye.